You've been driving for years, maybe even decades. You know the feel of the steering wheel, the hum of the engine, the quirks only you can recognize. Yet hidden deep in your vehicle are features and tricks that quietly work in the background, protecting your family, cutting costs, and making every trip smoother. Most drivers never notice them, but once you do, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. Number 9. Backseat reminders. You park your car, switch off the engine, and get ready to walk away. But then you suddenly realize that something important is still in the back seat. That's a scary thought, and exactly why backseat reminders are so important. Here's how it works. If you open a rear door before or after starting your car, the system remembers. When you park and shut off the engine, it chimes or flashes a message, "Check rear seat." That's it. Simple but very powerful. It's designed to prevent something unthinkable, leaving a child, pet, or even important items behind in the back seat. And no, it's not just for forgetful people. It happens more often than you'd think, especially when routines change or you're just plain exhausted. What's smart is that it doesn't need an app or a subscription. It just works quietly, automatically. It's a small nudge, but one that speaks volumes. So next time you hear that chime, don't ignore it. Glance back. That habit could make all the difference. Number 8. Road condition warnings. Sometimes, when you're driving early in the morning and the roads might be icy, but you can't tell just by looking. That's where your car's secret weapon comes in. The road condition warning. Many cars now have a special light that looks like a little snowflake. When the outside temperature drops low enough for ice to form, this light turns on. It uses a sensor near the front bumper that isn't affected by the engine's heat, so it gives a true reading of the road's condition. This simple warning tells you to slow down and be extra careful. Icy roads can make your car very hard to control, even if you're driving slowly. So when you see that snowflake, take it seriously. It's your car's way of saying, "Watch out." It's an easy feature to miss, but knowing about it could save you from a dangerous skid or accident. Especially in winter or rainy weather, trust this little light to help you stay safe. So, the next time you're on the road and spot that snowflake, slow your speed, stay alert, and drive smart. Number 7. Morning gas hack. Ever wondered if the time of day you fill your gas tank really matters? It does. And here's a cool trick many experienced drivers use to get more fuel for their money. Gasoline expands when it gets warm. That means on hot days, the gas in the station's underground tanks takes up more space, but actually contains less energy. So if you fill up during the heat of the day, you might be paying for fuel that's a little less dense. But early in the morning or late in the evening, the temperature is cooler. Gas is denser then, packed with more energy in the same amount of space. So filling up during these cooler hours means you get slightly more fuel for the same price. Gas stations store fuel underground to keep it cooler, but small temperature changes still affect how much fuel you get. The difference isn't huge, but if you fill up often or have a big tank, it adds up over time. So next time you need gas, try filling up early or late in the day. It's a simple habit that can save you a bit of money and help you get the most out of every gallon. Number 6. Tire pressure monitoring system. Have you ever noticed a little tire-shaped warning light on your dashboard? That's your tire pressure monitoring system, quietly watching over your tires while you drive. Since 2007, almost every car has this system because underinflated tires aren't just bad for fuel economy. They can be dangerous too. When a tire loses air, your car works harder, uses more gas, and your risk of a blowout goes up. The tire pressure monitoring system alerts you when tire pressure drops too low. Some cars even show the exact pressure for each tire right on the dashboard, so you know which one needs attention. If you see that warning light, it's time to check your tires. Keeping your tires properly inflated isn't just about safety, it saves you money. Low pressure means more rolling resistance, which burns extra fuel and wears out tires faster, So make it a habit to watch for that warning light and check your tires regularly. A small step like this can keep you safe, save fuel, and help your tires last longer. Number 5. Heads-up display. Imagine having all the important information you need while driving right in front of you, without looking down or away. That is exactly what a heads-up display does. Originally inspired by fighter jets, this feature projects key details like your speed, navigation directions, and even the speed limit onto your windshield. It looks like the information is floating right above the road, so you can stay focused without distractions. Some heads-up displays even show who is calling or the song playing, so you do not have to glance at your phone or dashboard. This means fewer chances of taking your eyes off the road, making driving safer and more relaxed. It feels futuristic, but many modern cars, especially hybrids, now offer this feature. It is like having a helpful assistant guiding you, quietly and clearly, keeping you alert. If your car has a heads-up display, get to know it. And if it does not, it might be worth considering when you upgrade. It is a small tool that makes a big difference. Keep your eyes where they belong, on the road ahead, and let the heads-up display handle the rest. Number 4. Side mirror defrosters. Have you ever struggled to see clearly because your side mirrors are foggy or frozen? It can be frustrating and even dangerous, especially on cold or rainy days. Luckily, many cars have a hidden feature called side mirror defrosters that can solve this problem quickly. To turn on the defrosters, look at your side mirror adjustment switch. Instead of moving it to the left or right to adjust the mirrors, rotate it all the way down. This activates small heating elements inside the mirrors which melt frost, clear fog, and dry off condensation. This simple trick saves you time and hassle. No more wiping mirrors by hand or waiting for the sun to clear them. It helps keep your view clear and safe, so you can change lanes or park with confidence. Even experienced drivers sometimes forget about this feature, but knowing how to use it can make a big difference during winter mornings or rainy weather. So next time your mirrors fog up or freeze, remember to activate the defrosters and enjoy a safer, clearer drive. Number 3. Check engine light fix. That little check engine light on your dashboard can be scary. It feels like something is seriously wrong with your car. But before you panic or rush to the mechanic, there are some easy things you can try yourself. One of the most common reasons this light comes on is a loose gas cap. If the cap is not tight enough or damaged, your car's computer thinks there is a problem and turns on the light. So, first step, check your gas cap and make sure it is screwed on properly. Sometimes this simple fix will turn the light off after you drive for a bit. However, the check engine light can also signal more serious issues, like a faulty spark plug, oxygen sensor, or catalytic converter. If the light stays on and your car is acting strange, like jerking, losing power, or making unusual sounds, it is best to visit a mechanic. If you like working on cars, you can also use an onboard diagnostics 2 scanner to read the diagnostic codes yourself. This tool tells you exactly what is wrong. Remember, the check engine light is there to help you catch problems early and keep your car running smoothly. Number 2. Hidden storage compartments. Did you know your car might be hiding secret storage spots? Many modern vehicles come with hidden compartments designed to keep your valuables safe and help you stay organized. Car makers spend a lot of time making cars not just fuel efficient, but also smart with space. These hidden compartments are perfect for storing things like your phone, wallet, or important documents out of sight. For example, some cars have secret spaces under the passenger seat or behind climate control panels. The Dodge Journey has a hidden compartment beneath the passenger seat, while the Land Rover Discovery offers a clever storage spot behind its climate control panel. These places keep your stuff safe from prying eyes and make the cabin look cleaner. But be careful. It is easy to forget what you have stored in these secret spots if you do not use them often. Make it a habit to remember where you put things so you don't lose track. Next time you clean your car or organize your things, take a moment to explore these hidden compartments. They are thoughtful features designed to make your daily drive easier and safer. And now, the most important one. Number 1. Start your car with a dead remote. If you have ever been locked out or stuck because your car's remote battery died at the worst possible moment, do not panic. Modern cars have a clever backup system to get you moving again. Most car remotes use 2 types of radio frequency identification technology. One active, which depends on the remote's battery, and one passive, which does not. When the battery dies, the active system stops working, but the passive system kicks in. Here is the trick. Instead of pressing buttons from a distance, just hold your remote very close, almost touching the car's start button. The car's built-in reader powers the remote through this passive radio frequency identification, letting you start the engine even with a dead battery. This hidden feature can save you from stress and emergency trips to the store for a new battery. Knowing this simple hack means you can stay calm and start your car without fuss. So next time your remote dies unexpectedly, remember to bring it close to the start button. Your car still has your back. And there you have it. We spilled the secrets of the most experienced drivers for you. These aren't just tips. They're the kind of smart habits that turn everyday driving into something safer, smoother, and a lot less stressful. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends and family. And stay tuned for more game-changing tips that will keep you safer and save you time and money on the road. Drive safe out there.